You're sitting on your couch, scrolling through curated feeds of private jets and passive income gurus. You feel that itch in your chest, that hollow expansion. You tell yourself, I just need to manifest more. I need an abundance mindset. So you order a $50 sushi spread on a tax on tiredness app because you deserve it and money is a flow. The fish is mediocre, the delivery fee is a crime, and your bank account is screaming. You're trying to think like a billionaire while your math is stuck in middle school. You're vibrating at a high frequency, but your net worth is vibrating at zero. Let that sink in. Here's the exposure. The standard American script has rebranded reckless spending as abundance. They've convinced you that a scarcity mindset is the enemy. Here's the lie. If you worry about the price of a $95,000 financial anxiety machine, that luxury truck, you're playing small. Here's the truth. Scarcity is not a mindset for most people, it's a mathematical reality. You are being sold abundance by people who want your interest payments. They want you in tax prisons and high-interest debt because your abundance is their bottom line. Real abundance is not a feeling. Real abundance is mathematical sovereignty, the ability to say no to anyone, anywhere, at any time. Now let's do cold math, range engine. You want precision? Bring receipts. Paste your exact income and interest rates. Until then, we run ranges on your I deserve this purchases, especially lifestyle creep dressed up as alignment. Scenario, the abundance SUV, $60,000. Best case assumption, 4% APR. Your monthly payment is about $939. Total interest over 5 years is around $6,364. Base case assumption, 8% APR. Monthly payment about $1,051. Total interest about $13,066. Worst case assumption, 12% APR. Monthly payment about $1,170. Total interest about $20,205. Now add the part nobody budgets for: maintenance, insurance, and gas. Conservative, $400 a month. Base, $600 a month. Worst, $800 a month. So your total cost of ownership over 5 years: conservative, $86,704. Base, $102,126. Worst, $118,405. And now the real punch: opportunity cost. If instead of paying $1,051 a month for a status vehicle, you invested that same monthly amount into a simple index fund averaging a 7% real return, assumed, over 30 years, you're looking at a future value around $1.23 million. I'm going to save you $1.23 million. Don't. Just don't. Let that sink in. Now the psychology anchor. Your brain is wired for present bias. You value the vibe of the leather seats today more than the $1.2 million version of you 30 years from now. This isn't a character flaw. This is environment design failure. You live in an environment engineered to trigger hedonic adaptation. The new car smell fades in 3 weeks. The financial anxiety machine sits in your driveway for 72 months. And you're not thinking abundantly. You're reacting to loss aversion. You are terrified of missing out on a lifestyle you have not earned yet. Now let's jump timelines. Parallel universe, 20-year gap. Person A, the abundance manifestor, lives at the edge of their income, drives the newest metal, uses buy now, pay later for clothes. Year 20 net worth, $45,000, mostly home equity they don't actually own. Person B, the scarcity architect, drives a 10-year-old sedan, ignores the tax on tiredness, optimizes for the big three: housing, transportation, taxes. Year 20 net worth, $1,850,000. Person A is a slave to the script. Person B has real abundance, time, and choice. And here's the mortgage gut punch. If your APR moves from 5% to 9% on a $400,000 mortgage, assumed, the total cost difference over 30 years is roughly $355,000. That's a house for your kid, gone because you didn't check the math. Let that sink in. So here's the resolution. Stop feeling and start building. Willpower is a lie. Environment is everything. Homework, environment design. Number 1, delete the apps. Remove every food delivery and one-click shopping app from your phone. Force friction. Pay the laziness tax in effort, not dollars. Number 2, the anti-vibe spreadsheet. List your big 3 expenses: housing, transportation, taxes. If these exceed 50% of your take-home, you are in a financial burning building. Number 3, automation guardrail. Set savings to leave your account the second your paycheck hits. If you never see it, you cannot manifest it away. Now, your actions. In the next 24 hours, call your auto insurance provider and shop your rate. In the next 7 days, audit your laziness taxes, subscriptions, deliveries, and convenience fees from the last 30 days. Total it. Then calculate the 30-year opportunity cost of that number. Because the gut punch summary is simple. Real abundance is a high net worth, not a high-interest car loan. Like this video if you're tired of the lies. Comment math if you're awake. Subscribe if you're done being a victim of the script.